your teeth, Apple. That's Jungkook paste. Remove your teeth, that's Suga. It's a rug. It's in the paste of Gino. Why would you put a rug here if I cannot use it?
She has a point,
not,
Mother. She has
be
a
quiet.
Point.
It's not a rug. It's a floor poster. Idiot. Move it. Move it. That's good. Okay, much better. Stay that way. I want to protect them from the stinkiness. I don't want stinky people.
Financial freedom is if
Who told you to use this? You have the audacity to use gin?